Hey, I just wanted to say thank you all for all the super thanks. Stopping my tracks to take a minute to say thank you. Basically what we've been purchasing is what you see on the table. Tico shreds toys like they're going out of style. And these are just the latest and the greatest, and we purchased them with all the super thanks, and we wanted to say super thank you to all of you for what you do, watching our channel, helping it grow. We're reaching new heights. We're almost to 400,000 subscribers and growing, and it grows daily. It just blows my mind. How life-changing this has been for all of us, including Tico. And we just wanted to say super thanks back to you guys. Super thanks. We appreciate it, and we're going to keep rocking and rolling. Hope you enjoy what we're doing, and we'll talk again soon. What's this? Look at this, Tico. Look at that. What about this? Huh? Oh, yeah. We're attacking it.
What about this one? Oh my goodness,
Oh my
Tico.
goodness.
You like that one, huh?
Look at that nice toy. Look at that.
Oh, do you like that one?
Oh, yeah. You want to see it?
Oh,
How about this? I know you like to attack these. Look at that. Ready? Get it. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Tico, is that one of your toys? Did you like it? Do you want to say thank you to everybody? Can you say thank you?